Hey guys, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. Today I am doing another clothing haul, but today I got a little bit of mix of Pretty Little Thing and Shein combined together. On this channel I do clothing hauls, black love, travel vlogs, and of course my main wig reviews. So if you like what you see by the end of this video, make sure you guys subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video, and we're going to get into some things, okay? We're going to be Hey everyone, so I was really inspired by Jluxlabel and their stuff is so freaking expensive. So I said I'm going to find some similar pieces for a more affordable price, okay? So first up we have the button front tie-dye top and short set. I got this from Shein for $22. And I got it in a size medium, and I do like this outfit, but I am just a little disappointed in the sizing. It is super tight in the butt area. I was having a hard time sitting down, so I don't know if I'm going to be wearing this outfit. I might have to test it out at home and just see, but I do like the concept of it. I like the matching top and bottoms. It kind of gives me like sleepwear vibes, but it is very see-through, so keep that in mind as well. I'm wearing a tank top underneath, and you can kind of see the tank top through the shorts. So up next I got the Shein drop shoulder figure graphic long line tee, and I got it in a size medium. Everything that I get from Shein is always in a size medium/6, but I just think that this shirt is so cute. I love the design on here because I've been seeing it a lot on nails. So I actually went on Amazon and got like the nail decals for this. Yes, turn up, sis. But I already had the shorts in my closet. It's breathable, it's lightweight, it's cotton material. I do feel like it will shrink over time if you constantly are putting it in hot water and drying it on high heat. So keep that in mind. But I am in love with this shirt. It's super cute and comfy, and it's great for a quick run to the store to do what you gotta do, okay? So up next I got this super cute top. It's the floral button-up shirt dress, and I got it in a size medium, and it was $19 from Shein. Then I also got a mini Croc embossed belted bag, and this was $11 on Shein as well. They have so many cute things on here. I just feel like this purse is like the new style. I've been seeing it everywhere, and I saw someone or one of the models on Jluxlabel, and I was like, I have to get this. So let me try to find a cheaper version. And I was able to find that on Shein. But this dress is so pretty. I'm loving the colors. It's giving me spring vibes for sure. It is a thicker material. I am a little worried about heat in my underarm area, but it is what it is. And yeah, I did wear some shorts underneath because when I sit down, it does rise up, and I'm not about to be showing my goods to the world, but I do feel like this outfit is super cute, and I'm so ready to get dressed to go somewhere this spring. How are you guys feeling this year round? Things are opening back up. People are getting the vaccine. I'm trying to be out here. Not in the streets, but out here at brunch. The bag also has a chain belt inside, so you can detach the waist part and just wear the chain. And for some reason it doesn't have an extra hook in the back, so just keep that in mind as well. So this is my favorite outfit, I think, out of the entire collection. But these are the top woven tailored wide leg pants. I got these from Pretty Little Thing for $30 in a size 6. The hat is a tan Fedora hat. It was $13 from Pretty Little Thing as well. Then I also got the stone ribbed raw V sleeveless bodysuit in a size 6. It was $12 from Pretty Little Thing. And these super cute glasses are the W design decorative glasses from Shein for $5. But I saw a replica of this outfit on Jluxlabel, and I was like, oh, I need this, but a cheaper version. And I was so happy with my accomplished look. The pants also fit perfectly, and they don't have any pockets, unfortunately, but I am so in love with this outfit. The hat feels just right, and those glasses are super cute. I will say that the bodysuit I do feel like it's a little open for my breast area, so I may have to go get a different one because if I bend over, my boobs are popping out, and I don't really like that. So we gonna see. Okay, so up next we have the shoulder pad Ruched Bodycon dress. I got it for $20 in a size medium from Shein. This dress has over 1,700 reviews, so I knew it was going to be a good one. I'm so excited, and I just love the shoulder pads. First of all, I love Ruched because it just highlights all of my curves in all the right places, and I do like the breathable underarm area, so sis is not going to be hot and sweaty during the summer. If you guys follow a fellow YouTuber, her name is iDesign. She is the one that inspired me to get this dress. She is such a fashionista, and she just dresses so cute, and she did a review for a similar dress, and I was like, I need the shoulder pad dress. So I saw this on Shein, super affordable, and I do think that this dress will look super cute with a purse belt, maybe in like a darker brown or black. So I didn't really like the tan on there, but I am loving this dress. It hugs my body in all the right places, and I cannot wait to wear this outfit out with my husband, okay? Up next, we have the Tawny brown sleeveless gathered ruched skirt midi dress. I got this outfit from Pretty Little Thing in a size 6, and it was about $16 on their website. I also have some acrylic frame sunglasses from Shein, and they were $4. So I'm having like mixed thoughts about this dress because it is cute, but it is a little baggy in the stomach area. I had to pull the ruche all the way up so it can, you know, just kind of look right. And I'm not going to lie, sometimes I was never like a big person who wore brown because I am brown. I never thought it complimented my skin, but now getting older, neutrals are in. I love this color on me. I love like the sandy brown, the dark browns, all of that. So, but I do think that the material isn't hugging me in all the right places. It is a little bit loose in the boob area. It is a little bit loose in the stomach area. So I do feel like if this dress was made out of cotton, it would hug in all the right places, but it is made out of polyester. We have this super cute rib knit bodycon dress from Shein. I got it in a size medium, and it was on their website for $15. I am loving this dress. It hugs my body in all the right places. I have been on a low carb diet. A lot of stuff that I eat is in the description box below, so make sure you guys check that out. But I am loving this dress. It's so cute. And I got this tiger stripe Chiffon kimono. It was $14 on Shein's website. I got it to go over it. I was trying to accomplish a specific look, and I just don't like it. I'm not feeling the way this thing looks. Honestly, it came in one of Shein's swimsuit packaging. So I don't know why on the website it says kimono, but it's technically like a swimsuit cover. But I did end up tying it around my shoulders, and I do kind of like the way it looks right here. But I don't know, you guys. I might have to either find something else or just wear it plain Jane as it is. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think of this combination. So up next we have the solid slim fit romper, and I got it from Shein for $11. It is a ribbed material. I do think this outfit would be super cute with a belt bag. I do like the tan. I do think it will look cute with in a bunch of other colors as well, maybe like a dark brown or maybe even a red. That might look cute. But yeah, so it's a red material. I'm not a huge fan of the chest area. I do feel like it makes my shoulders look a little bit more broad. It doesn't kind of hold my boobs together. It's just there. But I do like the way it fits on the lower part of my body, of course. But I want to find something to go over it, so I'm going to look around for that as well. But it's cute, you know, comfy, breathable, a little bit on the see-through side, so just keep that in mind. So if you have been following my channel, you know that I love me some lounge wear. So this is the super crop drawstring hoodie with tank and jogger set is $25 on Shein, and I got it in a size medium. And this outfit has over 7,000 reviews, so a lot of people are purchasing it. I do like it. It fits perfectly. The sizing is perfect, and I'm loving the material. It's cotton, so keep in mind that it might shrink in the washer and dryer, but I love that I can move around, breathe in it, and yeah, it's cute and comfortable. I've seen this outfit around a couple times, you know, there's been a lot of vendors that have been making it, but I am loving this outfit. It's so cute, and I just love gray. Gray and neutrals are in. So I hope you guys enjoy this fun video. Let me know in the comments below what some of your favorite pieces were. I pretty much like everything. The only thing I didn't really like is this piece right here. I'm gonna have to find something to go with this because I just don't like this whole like neck part. It's just, you know, a little but yes, and this is so cute. So let me know in the comments below what your favorite look was for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video. I do wig reviews, clothing hauls, black love, and travel vlogs on my channel, so it's free to support, okay? And thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Namaste.